asshole.
So I can get
Hello, Echo.
mow under it a little bit better.
Want to get some scrap.
I think we need to move that gate. We know where he is.
We're not moving the gate. That gate's landmark for him. Okay.
Now gotta go.
Okay. Turn it over. There you go.
Day.
Okay.
Alrighty then.
We have that. Got some in there. If you want to, grab those two things over. Scrap for Cash on YouTube, please subscribe. Alrighty.
Got it?
Yank it, baby. Pinch the shit out of my finger.
I know it. Follow mine. Can I get these?
You really don't like that cake.
Is it behind me?
throw them.
These are some serious rotors. What's the baby one? Got a brake pad. Holy crap.
That heavy damn rotor puller.
One more down there.
This plan's working out. And we're just.
Lose your Come on, folks. Closed the door, walked all the way down there. Totally forgot to pick you guys up, bring you along. We got a few more things going on down here. Some more radiators, so forth that he's picking up. On the other side of the shop, as he was saying, this is one of their busiest shops. Sorry, it's a little dark down here. He's already at it. Oh, he must have found more rotors.
Say about Steven Tyler? I'm sorry?
He's ugly. Ugly. Not an attractive person.
What's your favorite Aerosmith song?
Well, the only one that comes to mind is Walking the Dog, but I don't know if that's my favorite.
Walk This Way was pretty good. But you're just an absolute treasure to be around. There's what?
there's alternatives out there.
There's alternatives right here. I don't have to go out there. It's right here. Alternative. There's another one over there. Yes, there are.
Whenever you get tired of me, let me go.
Been tired of you for 40 years. We're here, not back there, so that's really not something I want. They may be using it for parts or something, so we'll let that ride. Here.
How many do you want? Dumbbells?
Gotta take him back to the house. And that, I'll take all that, but that's a brass radiator.
This paid some good money, I think, last time we had one.
That's a brass radiator.
Kind of heavy.
Old school shit. Told me he was going to have more stuff. Put tailgate down. Uh-oh.
Ooh, that's heavy.
Thank you. Even.
You want all this under
See,
here?
now I'm starting to regret this shit.
You want it under here?
Noisy. By the way you're moving it around, I don't believe it's that heavy.
Won't let it fall down. Feel right to me. Ooh, right in the boobie.
Okay, here we go.
That's all right, darling. We're just gonna put it on top.
Yeah, what's in the box?
Here's something that goes with it.
I could. I can do this without fucking dying. Damn, thing's heavier than I thought it was. Thank you.
Where is it?
Right behind you.
Swear to God.
By design, I'm trying to get the best view. Blue moon of Kentucky, keep on shining. Shine on the one, don't let me bleed.
I was trying to do a stretch. I think that's all of them.
All right, give me that box. Let's see what's in there. We're looking for the little shit now. I don't want the whole thing. Just open it up. Papers in there. There we go. That kind of stuff's going to help us load that. It'll be a mother getting the washing machine off.
Yeah, it's on your watch. It's kind of coming together here. Ready for this?
Yep. What I needed it to do. Okay, that thing's getting on my nerves.
What do you want?
See the water heater.
You gotta take the stuff off of it?
The what? What's going on? What's going on?
Wow, that fit like a glove. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Getting in the truck.
How did all that come to be? Inquiring minds want to know. But that's the picture that came across while I was at work. And when I showed up there, sure enough, it was still there. It's like on a freebie alert. Somebody puts their stuff out and says, hey, if you want this, come get it. Well, I wanted it, so I came and got it. But I will say one thing that has nothing to do with scrap. Having family can be a bitch sometimes. And they absolutely can break your heart. Absolutely can break your heart. And I'll leave it at that. But I'll be back here in a little bit. We'll take some stuff apart and see what happens. Now, we've got a little work to do right in here. And then we'll finish that one off. Hot dog it. Everyone could on two over. Alrighty. I think we're done. Now I can transfer a bunch of stuff over to Sammy, best I can. Make that one load. Might use this for non-ferrous stuff. I don't know. Got a lot of options right now. So, what do we have, Scrap Cash Army? I have a bunch of ACRs, aluminum radiators, ends. That is a brass radiator, my friends. Haven't seen one of them in a while. Compressor, and a boatload of copper. And what else? What else do we have, you might say? Or you might ask. Well, let's go look. I've still got this project to do. There's my bird cage. Pretty nice bird cage too. My two Coca-Cola chairs. So on top of that, I've got, now I missed one. Take that one out. Right. So that's what I got. And that's just all rotors. There's a fan over there, one of my fans, but it ain't going nowhere. So Old Red has a bed full of rotors, and Sammy is loaded with a load. I might as well get the trash can while I'm out here. So yeah, I've got 3 trucks. Well, I've got 3 trips to make. Let's put it that way. I don't necessarily have 3 full trucks. But I've got that, a load, and that's a load. That's another load. She's squatting. And then Wyatt will be my non-ferrous. I got a little bit. Thanks for watching. Hope you made sense of what I did, because I know it's all over the place. But I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for those that have subscribed. And if you haven't and you feel like it, I'd sorely appreciate it. Have a great evening, y'all. Scrap for Cash is out.
Asshole.